Hey y'all, welcome back. For those who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer. So glad you guys are here because today we are going to talk about a really cool collab. So this is with Nudestix and Estee Lalonde. It is a collaboration and I'm just excited about this because I went step by step through the Get the Look instructions and created this look today. So if you want to see how I got this look, a little bit about this kit and everything that comes in it, keep watching. Okay, guys, let's talk about this collaboration. Oh my goodness, let's look at what's in here. So it comes in this pouch here, and I've already taken it kind of out of the pouch so that I can show you what it looks like, but how cute is this pouch, right? I love the color, and it says nude on the front and sticks on the back. But in the pouch comes this canister, and most of all their products come in kind of this tin-like canister. And it says Nudestix on it. And then inside it has the products and it has a mirror, which is great. So I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to be able to pull it up or it's going to all fall out. Came in this, which is the Nudies Matte in Salty Siren. This color is so pretty. I'm going to swatch everything for you, of course. This is Salty Siren. How pretty. And it's Nudies Matte. So it's going to be a little bit more on the matte side than the Nudies Bloom collection. The Nudies Bloom has more of a sheen to it. This is a little bit more subdued, but it still gives you that really pretty sheen too. Inside the tin, there's 4 products. So 5 total products. I think I paid $69 on Nudestix website for this. And that's a pretty good deal, honestly, because one of their products, I think one of these products itself is like $30-some. It comes with a lip. This is the lip and cheek pencil. This is in Mystic. So this shade here, and this is the, oh y'all, this is like my shade. So pretty. Then you have this magnetic eye color, magnetic luminous eye color in Nudity. This is kind of that champagne-y color. Oh, it gives such a pretty sheen too. I'm excited to try that on. Then there's this lip glaze. I was like, lip glaze. And then I was like, maybe it's glossy. I don't know. Maybe like a lip gloss. I have not tried these before, but I've never really even heard of them. But it is the lip glaze is a moisturizing lip oil with a non-sticky shine infused with lip plumping peptides, hydrating shea, cocoa, and avocado butters in perfect nude shades. Let's see what this shade swatches as, right? Ooh, that's so pretty, and I love the shine. Okay, these colors like totally spoke to me because they're right up my alley. I love this type of color. Last but not least, within the tin, we have this Nudestix Magnetic Nude Glimmers. It comes in the packaging similar to the lip glaze. And this is a glimmering metallic gel, melts for a lightweight skin-like nude glow that layers to max strobe highlighter for eye brightening, face highlighting, and lip foiling. Sets for all day, and it's waterproof. That's what I'm talking about. So let's see what this looks like swatched. Ooh, that is definitely going to give you a shine. A lot of these are pencils, so it also comes with a pencil sharpener within the kit, which is nice to have. So I think I'm going to try to follow some of the instructions that was in the kit on how to use these products. So first we're going to do the face, all right? This is kind of fun. I'm going to get the look. Stripe and blend Salty Siren on cheeks and forehead, all right? So cheeks and forehead. It's kind of pink on the forehead though, right? I don't know. I guess I can use this brush that comes with it. That's Salty Siren. I keep wanting to say Siren, and it's not Siren, it's Siren. But that's Salty Siren. Then I'm supposed to swipe Mystic, which is this lip and cheek pencil on top of cheeks, on top of the Salty Siren. So okay, so that's Mystic over top. And then it says Dot Angel. This is Angel over top of the cheekbones. brow bone, bridge in the nose, and cupid bone. Cupid, bridge of the nose, right? Okay. That's giving a pretty sheen, right? All right, eyes. So for eyes, it's saying to add Salty Siren to my eye contour. Oh, I need to put an eye primer down. 1 minute. Now it says to blend the Salty Siren in the eye contour. So I laid down my eye primer and I'm using the Marc Jacobs Undercover one because that's the one I could find. Oh, this is like a really pretty shade, right? Wow, that looks incredible, y'all. I'm surprised. I would have never put this in like as an eyeshadow. So I'm kind of excited that I'm following the instructions or the look or whatever. Now I have to take this Nudity and put it all over the lid. So it says all over the lid and waterline to brighten. So it does brighten the eyes. I like this. Now, I'm hoping that the eye primer will help it set. I'm always worried with cream products it doesn't last as long, specifically because I have oily eyelids. So just kind of keeping that in mind. But I'm just letting that kind of set down for a minute, and then I'm going to go in with the next step. Okay, so next I'm supposed to go in with Angel. Well, 99% Angel is what it's called. And I'm going to go right here and here. That's what the instructions say. That's what the instructions say. I'm just going to dab it here and dab it here. That's pretty. I like this. I like this one. I would have never picked this up for myself though. I don't know why I wouldn't, but I just feel like it's just one of those products I just wouldn't have picked up. It's really beautiful, but I don't know. And I'm glad it came in the kit so I could try it and see if I liked it, and I really like it. The eyes are done. So this is the eye look. Really natural, really pretty. It makes your eyes pop, but still gives you kind of a natural vibe. Liking it, liking it. It's saying to use this on your lips. So I'm just going to use kind of a lip brush to put this on my lips. I could use my fingers too. That is pretty. I didn't know that we could use these. I mean, I knew that you could use these, but I've never experimented in trying these on like your lips and your eyes and things like that. And I'm liking how it's turning out here. I was supposed to apply Mystic over Salty Siren. I'm just putting some on my finger and then I like this. I like that a lot. Now I'm supposed to put this lip gloss on my lips. So this is a Nude 06. I've never tried a lip gloss from this brand before. It's minty. I like minty stuff, so for me, that's not a problem. But it's not sticky at all. It feels very, very nice. Almost like a lip oil like it says, but it's more glossy in the thickness, I guess. But I like that because it's going to stay a little bit longer. I really like this. That's the look. I'm going to go ahead and finish off with some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. I followed the instructions that I was given and I really like it. It's kind of made me step outside of my comfort zone, maybe learn about the products a little bit more and how to use them in specific ways that I personally would not have used them. For example, like using this on my lips, using this on my eyes. I think it actually looks really pretty and it's just not something that I probably would have thought to do. And I'm excited for that. So it gives me other ways to experiment with the products, you know. I love that this kit came with a bunch of different items from the brand that I probably would not have picked up myself, in all honesty. I think that this Magnetic Nude Glimmers is stunning. Y'all, this, I just want to put more on because it is so pretty. It's just the most beautiful glow. The other item that I was very surprised that I liked a lot is this is the lip Glaze. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I looked it up too. So it's a lip glaze, I think is how you pronounce it. It's a Nude 06. This is a lip oil gloss combo. I would say it's probably more on the gloss side. It is really, really comfortable to wear. I do really like this lip color a lot. I think it just highlights and provides kind of like that plumping effect too. So I feel like all the shades are complementary to each other within this kit, which is really nice too. You don't have kind of like one off shade that wouldn't necessarily be something that you would wear every day. I feel like I like the nude concept for this. This Mystic is my shade. Okay, this is like totally up my alley. I love the brownie nude color of it. I think it's something I'm going to find that I am going to be wearing a lot, you know? So I do like this one a lot. And I like that you can use it for your lips, your cheeks, like kind of all the things with, you know, this color. This is the Nude But Not kit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really had a fun time playing around with this. It kind of made me, you know, play with the products in different ways, and I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed following the step-by-step process to get the look that they suggested on the card because that was fun, right? I love the nude look. I love that it's just highlights and, you know, gives you just this pretty glow. And yeah, so it was a lot of fun to play with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe below. I'd really appreciate it if you did. It just means the world to me. And don't forget to like and comment and tell me what your favorite products from Nudestix are. Have you tried the brand? Have you tried this particular collaboration? I think that they did an excellent job with this collab, honestly. Yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Again, I really appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.